Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Subaru Impreza faster. First, consider an upgraded air intake system. This simple modification allows your engine to breathe more freely, leading to a noticeable increase in horsepower. Next, swapping to lighter wheels and performance tires can significantly reduce unsprung weight, improving acceleration and handling. Finally, a performance exhaust system not only sounds great, but also helps your engine expel gases more efficiently, contributing to better overall power output. Moving on, an ECU tune is a fantastic way to unlock hidden power from your Impreza's engine. This software adjustment optimizes fuel delivery and ignition timing for significant gains. For manual transmission owners, a short shifter can transform your driving experience, offering crisper and faster gear changes. Don't forget about stopping power. Upgrading to high-performance brake pads and rotors ensures you can confidently handle your newfound speed, providing better safety and control. To truly make your Impreza faster, you also need to improve its handling. Stiffer sway bars are excellent for reducing body roll during aggressive cornering, making your car feel more planted and responsive. For those seeking ultimate control, a coilover suspension system offers adjustable ride height and damping, allowing you to fine-tune your car's dynamics. Remember, performance tires are crucial. They provide superior grip, directly impacting your acceleration, braking, and overall cornering ability. For more advanced modifications, a lightweight flywheel can help your engine rev up much faster, improving throttle response and acceleration. If your Impreza is turbocharged, a larger intercooler is a smart upgrade. It cools the air entering the engine more effectively, leading to consistent power gains, especially during spirited driving. Also, for those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. These upgrades will truly enhance your Impreza's performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.